Now we start to assemble. First, confirm the front and back of the head. The one without hidden lines is the front. The one with traces of hidden lines is the reverse side. Assemble two ears first. Concave is the front. Convex is reverse. If you have a crochet foundation, you can sew with a blunt needle. Suture the ears face down and back up. The stitching position is the first and last stitches on lap 8. That's where the two colors meet. And novice friends can use hot melt adhesive to assemble. First, tie the two yarns of the ear twice. After reserving about 0.5 centimeters of yarn, cut off the excess part with scissors. Stick some of the melted hot melt adhesive on the back of the head where the ears are assembled. The back of the ear is facing up. Glue it to the head. After pasting is completed, the front of the ear is collapsed when viewed from the front. Refer to the previous content and paste to complete the assembly of the other ear. If the hot melt adhesive spills onto the front, can be trimmed with scissors. Be careful not to cut to other positions. Two ears are assembled. The back will look messy, and it will be covered after pasting it to the body part later. Next, we assemble the two eyes in the area between turns 5 and 8 of the head. Align the two eyes on the center axis. The lower edge of the eye is at the 5th circle. Insert plastic eyeballs into the center of the front of the eye weave. The front of the knit is raised upward, and the back is the threaded side. After inserting the eyeball, pay attention to keep the front of the weave raised. After the eyeballs are done, put the eyes on again to see the effect. One of the eyes can be fixed with a blunt needle to facilitate rear alignment assembly. Apply melted hot melt adhesive to the back of the eyes. Pay attention to the hot melt adhesive and try not to overflow. Find the position of the 5th circle and paste the eyes on it. Then paste the other eye. Press hard to make them stick tighter. Then fold the lower edge of the eye so it remains raised. The eye part is assembled. Next, the suture to the mouth. Split the 4 strands of black yarn into 2 strands. Then a blunt needle is inserted for suturing. Find the position of the 4th lap. Under the eyes. Find the central axis. The span of the mouth is the length of 2 pins. Go through one side first. Pierce through the 2nd stitch. Leave a short section of the tail line. Do not pull all the lines out. Then go back to the needle and thread in again. Pierce under the middle of the 2 stitches. Be careful not to tighten the line at one time. Adjust the shape of the mouth by pulling the thread head and tail. The thread should be above the mouth. Gently pull the yarn and adjust to the desired mouth shape. After adjusting the rear mouth shape, press the mouth shape with the thread and put it back in the same position. Wear it slowly from the back. Do not tighten the line at one time. After confirming that the mouth shape is not deformed, slowly tighten the line and fix the mouth shape. Then tie the thread on the back. Be careful not to tighten the knot at one time to prevent the mouth from deforming. Follow the zang line. Disconnect. The tail line is also hidden with a blunt needle. The position of the return line. Slowly bring out the line from the side to prevent the mouth from deforming. Then disconnect. Then comes the assembly of the whole head. We find the first stitch position of the wool part, which is where the body is pulled out. With this as a reference, the bottom of the sheep's head faces here. Apply melted hot melt adhesive to the middle area. Move the head down a little bit from the center and fix it up. The assembly of the head is complete. And finally, the feet. Tuck the tail line into the foot. And you find the space between the third and fourth wool. 1, 2, 3. This gap is the area without wool. We need to flatten the ring of the leg and assemble it in this area. The inside of the leg is perpendicular to the head when viewed from the front. Refer to the previous content, and then fix the other foot. The inner distance between the two legs is the width of a head. Use a blunt needle to fix one foot as a reference. Remove the other foot and start applying hot melt adhesive to assemble. Pay attention to remove the wool to prevent sticking to the hot melt adhesive. Then remove the blunt needle and assemble the other foot with reference to the previous content. Two front feet assembled. So here are two backward assemblies. Count down 3 laps from the 4th lap. In the area between the 7th and 8th turns, assemble to back. For turns of wheel spaced between the front and rear feet, the 4 feet are relatively parallel. Refer to the content of the front foot and assemble to back. Okay, the overall assembly is complete. Doesn't it look cute? See you next time. Bye!